When you look at the big airports around the world, they all have one thing in common. All of them face increasing numbers of passengers. And one element at such an airport is border control, of course. It is a crucial element which takes a lot of time because passengers must be checked carefully. An additional difficulty, especially at European airports, is the fact that after the introduction of the visa information system, the border police must also more and more check third country nationals biometrically and check them against central systems. This is the topic of the automated border control system EasyPass, which secunet has been operating at Frankfurt Airport since 2009.
When it comes to automated border control, secunet's eGate sets the benchmarks for security and usability. The travellers are led through the gate intuitively, so they can cross the border without long waiting periods. Therefore, the passport is placed onto the document reader. The data are read out and checked. Then the entrance doors open and the passenger enters the lock. A fully automated camera captures the passenger's face. The image is compared to the digital image stored in the electronic passport. If the data sets match, the exit door opens, the passenger leaves the eGate and has crossed the border.